going on, guys? So today I'm out here on the Biloxi and I'm just kind of walking around seeing what I can see. Right now we are fishing water that is literally ankle deep, but I wasn't really paying attention and I almost stepped on about a 2-pounder just walking this water that, I mean, I kid you not, it's ankle deep, guys, but there's fish out here, so we're gonna see what we can make shake. Y'all stay tuned and let's get after it. Still doing the same thing. Oh! A gar got me, and there went my jig. Yeah, I got some more stuff. I don't have another white jig though. That boy smoked the crap out of me. Ooh. I landed right on his head. There's a good one. So, I guess Bruce wants to learn how to tie on a fishing lure.
Apparently.
Oh wait, you put me on video? I'm out of here. Yeah. Too bad my camera wasn't already recording. That would have been a great one.
I didn't consent to this.
Hey, what you doing? Oh, I'm on camera? Never mind.
I think it's like $10. Yeah, I think so.
Well, I got smoked by a gar, and yeah, it's a carp. And he thought that I think he liked my jig more than I did, because he decided that it was his now. So we got a little Texas rig tied on with a natural bandito bug, and we're gonna work that, you know, same thing, running it along bottom and just letting it hang out. We're gonna fish structure and whatnot. This is actually a really good spot to fish, although I think I kind of blew it out. But gonna do the same thing, like I said, running it along bottom, giving it little twitches. Dang it. That was 100% a fish. But I'm going to try to get it back in there because I don't think he got the hook. Well, I know for a fact he didn't get the hook. So I'm going to try to get back up in there. That was a decent fish too. That's a good one. That's a solid fish. Come on, buddy. Stay on. Yes. Yes, sir. And the hook just come right out. All right, so I know that they're in this area. So get back towards that thing, see if I can't catch another one off that area. And I like this little bandito bug, so a little short, but question is, can I get the female off the bed before he gets back? I mean, he was on that thing, but I mean, as soon as I got close, he was on it. That's how I like it. Real soft, subtle entries, right along the bank, working it, just giving my little twitches and pauses, keeping tension on the line, feeling for any kind of hits or anything. Now again, because this is spawn season, most hits should come pretty heavy. You should be pretty aware that it's a hit when it happens. Like, I got a feeling that there's gonna be something here, maybe off of that little stick. Yeah, I'm gonna keep on working this little area. Oh, oh snap! Oh snap! Oh snap, boys! That's a good one. Holy crap. That boy hit like a freaking train. Ooh-wee. That boy was mean. Yes, sir. Get this bad boy back in. Hang on. Time for another bandito bug. Go back to the bank. That wasn't as close as I want to be, but we're gonna work it a little bit, then we're gonna get back in this, get right up along the bank. Like I said, that last cast was right along the bank. You know, that's the trick. You get that thing right up on the bank, and you get a nice subtle entry, you get it every time. Like, I guarantee if I can get right up in that little hole right there, it's gonna be over with. Gonna recast that for sure. A little short, but that might do because of where it's at. Take my keys and get them out of my pocket so they get wet. But where I want to be, right in this little pocket that I'm gonna try to hit. Oop, a little too far to the right. I was planning for some wind gusts, but if I can get in that little pocket, a little too far out, but it's close, might work. Come on now. Did it fall? Oh, yep. Oh, I was getting hammered. He took one of my claws. He took a claw from me. Oh no. He took 2 claws from me. All right, let's try this again. Hopefully that bandito bug will do it. Oh no, no. Man. All right, take your time, be smart. What is going on here? All right. Dang. Still short. There we go. A little loud on the entry though. Might be swapping up to a different color. It might not work out too well for me. Again, just working these coves, just working where I think there's going to be a bed at, because that's what they're doing right now. They're spawning. So just staying in areas where I think there might be some beds. Oh, getting hit by some little stuff. What's going on? You know, as y'all can see, this is a different shirt than what I was wearing in the video, and that is because I forgot to film an outro. And as y'all can see by the little dangling tree bark, and I'm pretty sure y'all might be able to get a little bit of wind noise in this video as well. It's been pretty windy in my area, so I do apologize for the wind noise. I will be investing into another microphone to try to help with all this wind noise that I'm getting. But yeah, man, I went out on a little walk with the family, and I decided to go ahead and take along a camera and a rod and see what happens. I only brought like 2 or 3 lures with me, and just my camera gear. So we went out on a little walk, maybe for like an hour and a half, and a lot of the water was really shallow, but we found a couple small deepish pockets, you know, getting into like the 3 to 4 foot range, and the fish are moving up and spawning in my area. So, you know, I brought along a little swim jig from Googan Squad with a little paddle tail swim bait, and as y'all saw, that gar got me and broke me off. But then I swapped up to using a natural bandito bug, and in my area that natural color really shines, and I'm in a lot of pretty clear water with maybe a little bit of murkiness, usually anywhere between 3 to 6 feet of visibility. It just kind of changes because I am in a river system, so you know, as rain comes, the cloudier the water gets, and you know, basic things when it comes to water clarity. But that lure color really does well in my area. I use the Slim Shake Worm a lot, and I just started using the bandito bug, and it's really producing, and I think a lot of that has to deal with the fact that it is spawn season right now, so those fish are not liking anything on their beds. But you know, I really hope y'all guys enjoyed watching. Hope y'all are enjoying as much as I enjoyed making the video. You know, if y'all like the content, guys, give me a like, give me a subscribe. You know, we're trying to get to 1,000, and as soon as I get to somewhere between the 500 to 1,000 range, I'm going to start doing little giveaways, you know, little packs of baits and this and that. But also something that I'm looking at doing right now is I'm getting all the gear list together, but I think I'm about to start making my own lures. You know, doing a lot of soft plastic baits, and then eventually transitioning into making hard baits and stuff. And I'll be doing a lot of content making those things, then going through and making videos where I make a lure and then I go out and use it and see if I can catch fish on it and whatnot. But just going out and having fun and taking out Frank, and you know, we'll get together and hey, let's make something, and then let's go out, you know, and try to catch something on it. Or maybe we'll do little challenges with each other about, you know, here Frank, you make a lure and then I'll make a lure, and then we'll go to a different body of water, or we'll go here or whatever, and then we'll try out that lure, and we'll see who can catch more. But you know, hopefully, like I said, guys, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, give me a like, a subscribe, you know, comment down below if you'd like to see anything particular, and y'all get out there and make some memories, guys.